My dear students, welcome you. In this video, part 3, we shall make the study of the agreement of verb with its subject. In the serial, the rule is 6. There are some nouns such as dozen, score, hundred, thousand, etc. are always used in singular. For example, she bought 2 dozen bananas. 2 dozen, not 2 dozens, not 2 dozens. 2 dozens is wrong. 2 dozen is correct. I bought a cycle for 5,000 rupees. 5,000, not 5,000s. Rule number 7. Some collective nouns like poultry, cattle, vermin, people, gentry, etc. are singular in form but always used in plural. For example, the cattle are grazing. There are few gentry in this area. These poultry are not mine. Vermin carry disease. Cattles, gentries, poultries, vermins is wrong. All these nouns are always used in plural, but they are singular in form. Now, rule number 8. Abstract nouns are always used in singular, such as hope, charity, love, hate, sympathy, kindness, etc. Love is blind. I know his kindness. Now, the next rule. Material nouns are always used in singular. In plural, their meaning change and they become common noun. So we should always material noun in singular. For example, material noun iron. Irons common noun means chains. Wood material noun woods means forest. Copper material coppers coins. Tin material tins canister. Such. For example, the furniture is made of wood. He eats in gold and silver pots. Exception. The lions live freely in the woods. Woods means forest. Rule number 10. If plural noun shows quantity or amount, it will take singular verb. For example, 5 miles is not long distance. The 400 rupees he gave me is not enough. So, 5 miles and the 400 rupees is one amount or one quantity. 5 miles shows a distance and the 400 rupees shows an amount. So in such condition the singular verb is used. Rule number 11, of and apostrophe. Use of and apostrophe. Yes. A. The use of apostrophe as the sign of possessive case should be restricted to. Once again, the use of apostrophe as the sign of possessive case should be restricted to A. Living objects. For example, man's mind, cat's paw, Mohan's book. Personified objects, mind's eye, country's call. Nouns indicative of time, space and weight, a day's journey. Certain familiar phrases, bits and his heart's content, etc. For example, Mohan's book is on the table, nature's law never fell, the principal declared a week's holiday, a boat's crew was not in danger, etc. Thank you.